Welcome viewers and subscribers to my channel, and today we're going to talk about health in this video. And one plant that lots of people have in around their household and they don't know what it benefit. And the plant we're going to talk about, it's the aloe vera plant, and people in Jamaica they call this single Bible, but the right name is aloe vera. So we're going to talk about health benefit. Lots of people doesn't know that these plants right here have all the antibiotic and health purpose that the body need. And first topic we're gonna touch is for smoker. Guys that smoke and you're worried about the job that you're in right now, and you're worried if they send you to go do a pee test, this is what gonna take out the marijuana and clean out your system. All you need to do is to just scoop up out of this middle part right here. And next benefit where people doesn't know, up to the top right here, right up to the top right here, this part right here that I break off, you get yellow substance is good for like acne and like itchy skin. Like if you have a skin irritation, you can rub this part on it as well. If you get burned like by hot water, touching the range top and you get burned, this can cool that burning effect. You just need some of the gel. Just cut the plant open, get some of the gel, and then put it on the burn. And lots of people, they run to shoppers, they run all over tracing down shampoo and think like, okay, they have damage here and they want to get those ear end repair all the damage. This also can use as a shampoo for your hair. It get rid of dandruff, it get rid of that out of your ear and make your ear look nice, shiny, and it's overall take over everything. Now is for the guys in that want to do fitness at the gym. This right here, again, all you need to do is to just cut this part off right here, because this part here, you notice it have, I'm gonna hold it up to camera, you see this white part right here, you just cut it, and whatever inside right there, you take it with this and it help build your muscle. There's lots of antibiotic inside here. Now we are in a pandemic, so you know, you take this and build your immune system. Because lots of people is wondering why they are like not losing weight. They go to the gym, they do everything, they eat right, but they're still not losing weight. This plant right here that I have in my hand, you cut it down. I'm gonna tell you guys, it have a bitterish taste. It's slimy and it's look like when you cook okra, if you know what I mean. But you can add stuff to your liking. Because if me looking after this right now, know like my blood system, if I want to lose weight, this is what help your body to build up that metabolism so you can lose weight. Remember, lots of people doesn't know I'm JVM boss, gonna tell you right now. If you're overweight, it's caused by your blood type. That's telling you other stuff and they want you to take their medication, take this, take that, but listen to some fitness tips. Because guess what, guys? My grandfather taught me when I was younger all about these things, and I'm sharing my knowledge right now. Losing weight is called by the reason why you're not dropping any weight. If your blood is too sweet, lots of people doesn't tell you this, if your blood is contain too much sugar, you're not gonna burn body fat. No matter what you do, you could run around the whole of Canada, circle the globe, you're not gonna burn any fat because your blood is too sweet. To burn fat, you have to clean your blood out. Your blood system need a flush, and this is what gonna flush your blood system out. So I'm gonna take you in the kitchen, guys, in a few minutes, and I'm gonna show you, because I'm gonna be making some of this for my purposes, but I'm just telling you guys the health benefit inside of this. And next thing, you can bathe with this. You cut it, open it up, and you go in the shower, and you have a shower. You wash your face with this. If it's a hot day, you feel so cool and relaxed. Remember, doctors and pharmaceutical won't tell you the good stuff behind this, but I'm passing off my knowledge with this. So guys, let's go in the kitchen and let's go prepare some aloe vera juice. Now we are in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to prepare this aloe vera. First and foremost, anything you buy at the store or anywhere, remember it contains wax, just for preservative. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this and you're gonna run it under some lukewarm water. Hit and make the water run off. You just rest it down in the sink, and then you're gonna wash it again. While you're doing that, if your hand, get your hand clean, because guess what? Okay, so now I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab my cutting board, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna rest it right here. And then I'm gonna grab a knife. Okay, we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you. So you know this part is like already open. So you see it seal itself. It has sealants inside of it. It seals its own self. So if any part you cut, it's gonna be able to stay fresh, because it's gonna automatically, with this the substance inside of it, it's gonna help preserve it. So remember, you use this on your face and everything else. So see, I'm gonna bring it up to the camera, make you guys can see this. That's what it look like. So see this part right here? Oh, it's more solid than the rest. I'm gonna cut out a piece. I'm gonna open it up and make you guys see it. It's more solid, and you see the part where I'm telling you how it seals itself. Right here, change color. That means this part, if you notice, this part is like dry right here. It's not slimy. So if you look, I want to show you guys a piece of the gel. So this part right here is what help you to build muscle. See it? So I'm gonna bring it to the camera. I hope you guys can see it. Okay. You want to get the pieces into the sink, because you don't want this thing to drain all over the floor and make a mess, because this thing started leaking already. So you're gonna hold it up to the side, tip it up, and then you're gonna run your knife like this. All the way. And then you're gonna just open it up. I have to cut some more. Okay, now it's open. This is the next step. It's open. See it? I don't want it to drain all over the floor, but nothing is running because I hold it this way now. See guys, it's all open. So you see all of this in the inside right here. Remember, who is doing the urine sample? This is all what you're gonna drink. If you wanna lose weight, this is all you're gonna drink. And if you wanna clean yourself out, clean out, detox the body, detox the bloodstream, you're gonna take all of this. So I'm gonna show you how you get all of these out of the aloe vera plant. Remember, I never remember to say this. The guys that smoke, it take 3 days after you drink this. I'm gonna grab a spoon. I have one right here, and then I'm gonna grab a bowl. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the bowl up just like that, and then I'm gonna start scrape from the top. See it? Make it slide down. Just like that. I'm gonna show you guys the bowl in a second. See, there's lots more. Don't waste nothing. Anything you waste, that's part of the health benefit. And remember, we are in a pandemic, and this is what you build your immune system. This clean out your lungs as well. Okay, I think I get enough. There's stuff pouring out still. So what I'm gonna do to get the rest of this, I'm gonna get another bowl. Then I'm gonna run the top for a minute, get those sticky stuff off my hands. Then I'm gonna grab a bowl from up here. Even though it's coming from the cupboard and I know it's clean, I'm rinsing it again. Okay, so I rinse that down in the sink so it can drain in that bowl. Okay, and guys, this is what they look like. See it? That's what they look like. So what I would do now, with my purpose of drinking this, I put stuff inside it that make it more. So what you guys want to do, lots of people might think it's gross. I put one of these inside it, and I put it in the blender. You have to make it the way you like it. I put this inside it. What the egg does inside this, the egg help make this contain more in your body. So the egg even put more way of losing weight and building muscle. This contribute to muscle, because lots of people doesn't know. You start a diet and you start to eat vegetable. You start off slow. This and egg, a boiled egg and lettuce make you lose more weight than any other vegetable with an egg combined. Lots of people doesn't know this. I try it and I'm gonna go back on it again because I notice I'm putting on the belly. So I will just break this inside here. Then I will just grab my blender, and if you want to add a teaspoon of cane sugar, don't have to. It doesn't matter if it's sweet. It's gonna go in your body and it's gonna just do a flip around anyway. But guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna show you guys again. And I want the egg to break. This is it, and this is all the egg benefit. There is nothing in the pharmacy that gonna build your body better than this and detox your body more than this. And smokers, I'm telling you, if you have to go do that pee test, don't pass the aloe vera plants in the grocery store. Get one, do the same, watch this video, like it, comment on it, but this is what you use to build your body and build your immune system, and it clean out your lungs, it clean out your your blood stream, and it help you to lose weight. And what I was saying about losing weight, remember, if the farmer want to get to fatten up a pig, instead of give him healthy stuff like this, they gave them sugar and chocolate, so they're more fat up on those stuff. But this is what help you to, the less sweet your blood is, blood in your body, it's the more you burn fat, the more energy you have. And drink this for 9 days. 9 mornings straight you drink this, right as you wake up. You can drink it before bed. Depends on what schedule you're on. You surprised to see after the 9 days, you out in the sun like working, you out there. You're gonna, after in the 8 days process, from the 7th day, you're gonna start feel different sweat coming out of your body. From day 5, you're gonna be like a thick sweat. Then day 6, 7, and 8, that's when you're gonna see lots, and you're gonna say, oh my God, you're rubbing your hands and you see like some stuff coming out, and you feel like your pores open up wide, just because of this, guys. Don't miss out on this. And remember, JVM Boss is giving you guys another health tip. If you don't subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And JVM said, I'm out of here.